I always wanted, I could never have it. Gone before I grabbed it, over before it started. No, I could never have it. What I always dreamed of, I could always see us, shadows in the distance, watching from the fences. But I could never have it. Now the space between us laughs at all our hopes and dreams. Was I a fool for my beliefs? My time stands still while you're dancing in the darkness. You think we should go our separate ways, but I think you're worth the wait, worth the wait, worth the wait, worth the wait, worth the wait. I think you're worth the wait. What I never wanted always seems to happen. It's not the way we planned it.
What an upgrade, guys. We've taken off this pile of junk. It's cheap and nasty 68mm bottom bracket, and we've got probably the most high-tech DIY 2000 watt mid-drive motor on the market. Spin this thing around so you can take a, because of the chain wheel you can't see, like from that angle you can see the whole motor. What is going on, guys? Right, it is go time. My friend is coming in 2 hours to help set up the gears because I'm crap at doing that. We have nothing on this bike at all. Well, we've got a shifter and a bunch of loose silver cable. No derailleur. I don't even know whether these are cables or just the outer sheath. Parts laying around.